Good morning everybody, welcome back to Vidmas and to a little Vidmas vlog. Today is a big day, it's my birthday party. In fact, it's mine and Liam's birthday party. My friend Liam has the same birthday as me, so every year, do you like my hair? This is my before, because I need to look amazing tonight, and I don't know what I'm wearing. Literally no idea what I'm wearing tonight. I haven't put any thought into it. That's good. If that is any testament to how organised I've been for this, then you kind of know where we're at. This is for people's coats. Honestly, we're in pretty good stead. So Liam and I have the same birthday. We've been friends for about... So we became friends when we were 12? So we've been friends for nearly 14 years. Oh my god, that is a really, really, really long time. 14 years, is that right? We met when we were 12. We just turned 26, yeah. I'm gonna put on some skincare while I chat to you. I'm not gonna sit and talk to you loads today because it is the final mad rush. It is currently 11:37. Liam and Pagan are getting here for like 5, I think. And I think I want to be ready when they arrive. So I need to start getting ready at like 4. Start getting ready at like 4, which also involves, you know, choosing an outfit. And I need the house to be ready. It's actually, it looks really messy, but it's actually really not that bad. I have dealt with much worse before a party, and there's actually not that many people coming. I think there's probably going to be like 15. It's not huge because of the strikes. Loads of people can't make it. It's a very low-key, small-scale party, so I've got loads of like silly games and stuff to play, and it's just going to be like silly fun. And the theme is our favourite things, so everyone has to come dressed as something that me and Liam like or love, our favourite things. So you can either come dressed up as something that I love or something Liam loves. Kind of depends who you know best. But our guest list is literally the same people because we are the one big group of friends. So me and Liam basically have a Venn diagram of our friends. There's a very large middle section. The majority of our best friends are the same people, which means numbers also stay quite small because we don't both have loads and loads of external people to invite. But it's nice for me because it kind of keeps the pressure down. It keeps it a little bit more low-key. But you will have seen I posted a video a couple of days ago about how to be the hostess with the mostess. And I really loved that video. I made it quite apparent that I really enjoy hosting, and this for me is like so fun. And like I've kind of got to the stage where I really enjoy it, where the house is basically tidy. It's now just making it look really, really nice. And like going and buying all the last minute things, which is why I'm putting on a bit of skincare right now, because I'm about to pop out and go and pick up like Prosecco and any last minute bits that we don't have. And I thought I would give tonight its own vlog because I felt bad that I couldn't invite you guys. So I thought, you know, you could be here in spirit. And I also thought I posted that video all about how to be a hostess. It's only fair that I show you the results of that. The party in action. I'm not going to promise amazing vlogging tonight. A, because like I said, I get very stressed before. And B, I am planning on having a lot of Prosecco tonight. So I'm not going to promise the best filming, but I'm going to try my best to get you guys a decent video and to give you kind of an insight as to what a party at my house looks like. So I'm really excited. I will show you while I set everything up. I'll maybe do a little mini get ready with me. When I figure out what the hell I'm wearing, I'll show you that, and maybe I'll do a little mini like time-lapse get ready with me. But today will be fun. Hopefully it will be a fun vlog, and hopefully you'll see kind of what I was describing in that video. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it down below. There's a video about hosting and all of the little details that I like to do, which I think make an enormous, enormous difference. I'm gonna go to the shop and then we will start properly setting up. So in that video, okay, so in that video I talked about personalization and like having cute little personal touches, and I've decided that I'm gonna make, because I don't have a tree topper for this tree, I've decided I'm going to make one, and I'm going to put me and Liam on the top of the tree because we are the stars of the show. I have some gold card left over from the sign So let's put it to good use. I think I'm just gonna freehand draw a star. It's not gonna be a masterpiece. Just getting the vague shape, and then I'll just a crappy little star for a couple of crappy little stars. I mean, is it my best work? No. But is it terrible? Also no. I'm just gonna cut us out. Oh my god, we literally look like children. We look so young. We look like little babies. To go like that and like that. Kind of stunning. It fits pretty well, honestly. Trying to make this stick to glitter is definitely gonna be interesting. Gonna use my handy dandy spray adhesive. I think it's actually a lot better. There's a reason they say to use this stuff in a well ventilated area. Ta-da! Now how do you make it stay on the tree? Oh, it's perfect. All right, I need to get it to stay somehow, hang on. I'm literally wearing the same outfit as yesterday. Jeans and my Girl of Muse hoodie. But it's time to run to the shops. I have a list. I have a strict list. I know what I need. I can run in, go grab it, run out again, and then come finish this place off. It's already starting to look good though. So I still don't have any power, any lights upstairs. So we are making do with external light sources, it's fine. So I'm about to clean this up and make this into the beer pong table. We have the donuts all ready to go on the donut wall. Obviously the tequila rose, the pick and mix is ready. The tequila rose set up, so this will be like nice and decorated, but all my makeup is in there, so I'm still not ready. People are arriving literally in like an hour. And I look like this and I still don't know what I'm wearing. You know when I said in that video, leave more time than you think you need? Yeah, well I have left literally a fraction of the amount of time that I think that I need. So that's how I do things. Am I using my time wisely? Honestly, no. Am I doing something really, really unnecessary and novelty? Yes, I'm making a pin the earring and pin the nose ring on the Emma and Liam. But it's really cute, let me show you. So I'm trying to use up all of these gems and all the sparkly paper. So I have some little tacks and I'm sticking the gems. I've just put the super glue on so it should be dry enough to stick now. I'm making little piercings and I've already made the board. I'll show you the board in a second. And let me just stick these on. Because Liam's got an earring, I've obviously got my nose piercing. I can place like pin the tail on the donkey. Basically, because there's so few people because of these goddamn train strikes, I understand why they're doing them, but it is just really unfortunate for me right now. Our guest list is literally a quarter of the size of what we were planning, which means we have way more food than we need, but it also means that it's not going to be like loud and buzzy, like full of people. So I want to have like little activities for people to do. because there's not so many people. It's just so dumb and unnecessary, and I should definitely be getting ready right now. But this is my last novelty thing, I promise. But I just couldn't help, once I got the idea, I was like, it would be rude not to. The mulled wine just needs to be heated up. I've just put everything in the pot. So yeah, it just needs to be heated. So I'll do that like half an hour before everyone arrives, which is not that far away. Liam and Pags are bringing the majority of the food, so I haven't really had to do much food, which is good. So I can focus on the dumb shit, so I can make dumb things like this, which I'm gonna do right now.
Crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party.
Hello, it's me, the hostess with the most stress. My favourite line. Did what I said not to do. My guests are arriving in about 45 minutes. I have half an hour to get ready for my own birthday party. Let's go, let's do this thing.
Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the shit out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend.
Ta-da! The tree is finally complete.